Welcome. If you want to make your Gmail experience more organized and efficient, setting your inbox to priority inbox is a great way to ensure you see your most important emails first. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to update your Gmail inbox to priority inbox using the Gmail app. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your device. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to adjust. Once the app is open, look for the menu icon. It's the three horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger icon, in the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it to open the side menu. Next, scroll down through the menu options until you find Settings. Tap on Settings to see a list of all the email accounts you have connected to your Gmail app. Now, tap on the email account you want to change. This will open the settings specifically for that account. Here, you'll see a range of options to customize how your inbox works. Look for the option labeled Inbox Type. Tap on Inbox Type to see the different layouts you can choose for your inbox. You'll notice options like Default, Important First, Unread First, and of course, Priority Inbox. Select Priority Inbox from the list. This setting will automatically sort your emails so that the most important messages appear at the top, while less important emails are grouped in other sections below. It's a simple change, but it can make a big difference in how quickly you find the emails that matter most. Once you've chosen Priority Inbox, your changes will be saved automatically. Go back to your inbox, and you'll see the new layout in action. Important emails front and center, everything else neatly organized. That's it. You've successfully set your Gmail inbox to Priority Inbox using the Gmail app. Enjoy a more streamlined and productive email experience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks to get the most out of your Gmail account. Thanks for watching.